This story is about how we want to transform learning in clinical informatics. I will first sketch how learning traditionally fits our solution's lifecycle. Then we'll identify areas to improve and explain the future approach. Our customers run a business of caring for patients. We want to help them to improve and save lives through best-in-class solutions and services. To understand our customers' needs, our people talk to them frequently to understand their requirements and expectations. In our business innovation units, knowledgeable and skilled teams translate that customer input into advanced clinical informatics products. The resulting software and documentation is made available to the field for implementing solutions at customer sites. In parallel, trainers get deeply involved with BIU teams to get to know the ins and outs of the new product. The trainer requires this in-depth understanding to transfer knowledge for trainings in the field. After having successfully completed the appropriate training, the project managers, application consultants, technical consultants, and support engineers in the field should be set to take on any customer project and deliver the system as required, including training of the customer and support after go live. Although this seems like a solid process, some questions could be asked. How efficient is the knowledge transfer to the trainer? What is his experience and expertise in applying the product in the field as compared to the learners? How well will people in the field recall the details if the training is not applied immediately? How will that training help at the moment of need on the job? All teams will go through similar learning curves with a new product with the same challenges. How can learnings be leveraged continuously to speed up the learning curve across the organization? Is provided information, materials and training sufficient, or is there more unrecorded knowledge that could boost and empower the implementation and support teams even more? Is the available, explicit and implicit BIU knowledge and expertise unleashed and used sufficiently? And how does the customer receive continuous on-the-job support after go live? These kind of questions were the basis for our new approach to learning. So how can we improve this situation? First, we have to realize that we have many field teams across the globe, all serving their respective customers. They all do the same work, face similar challenges and have comparable learning needs. And they are all subject matter expertise, or SMEs, in their own area, based on background, education and experience. What if they would join forces globally, actively exchange lessons learned on the job? Not only with other field teams, but also with the BIU. On the BIU side, there's also a vast amount of knowledge and expertise and experience. In SMEs who know all about the product functionality, design, technologies, intended use and performance. At the same time, in today's world of IT, trainers in between BIU and field will never fully meet the field experience or the BIU expertise. What if SMEs from the field and the BIU were connected more directly in learning? Imagine the brain power that's unleashed, the insights that can be shared, and the effect on our customer-facing team's competencies, as well as the future products. How powerful if knowledge could flow directly from those who have it to those who need it. You may think, but learning and training is not a core competency of BIU and field teams, is it? That's right. And that's where the learning consultant comes in. In the new approach, the trainer has become a learning consultant and has no longer extensive content knowledge. However, he is a subject matter expert on two other important elements for learning, namely pedagogy or andragogy, which is about how people learn, learning delivery methods and didactics, and technology to support the learning. In the new collaborative setup, the learning consultant will investigate learning needs and requirements. Then he will liaise with the subject matter experts that are the most knowledgeable in the topics or subjects to define, develop and deliver the most suited learning solution together. That may take various shapes or forms, varying from short explanatory videos to virtual webinars to classroom sessions or whatever fits best. Preferably, we will create bite-sized learning solutions that are deployable through various channels and methods, striving for maximum flexibility and availability at the moments of need. during and beyond the moment of training. So this is our new approach to create learning solutions that better fit and support our employees and customers. State-of-the-art technologies can help even more though. Virtualized systems will enable e-learning anytime, anywhere. Recent innovations enable everybody, yes everybody, to easily create knowledge chunks that can be shared, much easier than before. Collaborative tooling will enable all of you to contribute with your knowledge very easily, if needed with our support to polish and consolidate it in easy-to-use learning solutions or job aids. And new platforms will facilitate exchange of information and knowledge even better, with functionality that combines social media characteristics with learning support functionality, using tools like YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, Connectors and Bluetooth, all facilitated by the Clinical Informatics Learning Services team. I hope you all join us in making it happen, for the benefit of our customers, our employees and the patients and their families that count on us. Thank you very much.